Are you looking for a new opportunity? RDC Fine Homes has an exciting new position for a head of sales for the Lower Mainland and Sea to Sky corridor. This is a senior management position with a seat on the leadership team. Are you an expert in sales with a knowledge of the residential new home and renovation sector? Are you passionate about working with a team of industry-leading professionals to help drive a vision of building the homes for tomorrow? RDC Fine Homes is an award-winning leader in the construction and renovation of high-performance homes, with a brand reputation as a leader in housing innovation and customer service. With offices in both Squamish and Whistler, RDC has been serving the North Shore of Vancouver and the Sea to Sky corridor for over 30 years. As head of sales, you'll be responsible to drive revenue growth for the company by identifying, engaging, and converting potential customers into paying clients. RDC is looking for an ambitious, self-motivated individual who is aligned with our core values. We look forward to meeting with you to see if we might be a good fit.